On behalf of the Council, the Chair, the Chancellor, the Council, the Senate, professors, academic and non-academic staff of this great citadel of learning, thank His Excellency for a beautiful presentation. A round of applause for him. He has shown us that tomorrow is here today, and we acknowledge this. And we all know that there is no development without security. Let me use only that aspect of his developmental programs. He achieved a lot. In fact, he had both the hardware and the software. The hardware will be, let me mention just a few, the command and control center, as well as you see the vehicles along the routes. All these are the hardware. But he went further to increase the software by introducing forms of security consciousness, and he gave a lot of support to security agencies in the state. And that will be why we could always say that Enugu is the safest state in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Because of this, the council, the governing council, the senate, and indeed the university community thought it wise. There is a compendium of perspectives of security management in Nigeria compiled by not less than about 80 scholars and practitioners. We have defense minister, service chiefs, of all the services. They all compile this, and I thought it important on behalf of the council to present this to him, to have to his software. As we said, we must help him to develop our state more. And with this, we expect that all you have mentioned that you have done about the state, the green school and the likes, we will expect more of that to be extended to the Lions Den. Do you assure us that, sir? Thank you very much. Sir, let me present this. I will invite the